Hi, hello, your master pattern here. Our today's topic is panel style line bodies. If you observe the three pictures of panel style line front, side, and back view, there will be no side seam for this. So, that is the specialty of this panel style line. Opening will be at the back and sometimes at the front, depends on design. Panel style line gives an aesthetic appeal to the garment by breaking the garment into small sections called panels, allowing for creative color blocking and texture mixing. This panel style line can enhance the fit of the garment by shaping it to the contours or outline of the body. That means the panel style line gives a fitted silhouette. Let's see how to make this by using basic bodies front and back. Take basic bodies front and back and turn back, join them at the side seams as I am doing here. Mark midpoints near the waist for both front and back between dart and side seam. Mark midpoint of the arm round for front and back. And draw a small horizontal lines from mid arm holes of the both front and back as I am showing here. Now look at here carefully. By using L scale, you have to keep the L scale aligning the waistline. Draw a vertical line from those midpoints. Now by using French curve, draw a slight curve from mid arm hole merging with the straight line that you have drawn before. You have to do for both front and back bodies as I'm showing here. So cut the panel from the bodies. If you observe carefully here, part of the front and back joining at the side seam and coming as a single panel without side seam. And now take center front panel, close both the darts and open near the bust level. So follow the process carefully how I am doing. First, you have to draw a new dart position. Draw a horizontal line from the apex. So that is a new dart position, or you can call it as slash line. And now close both the darts by seeing the process that I am following. Take a piece of paper and stick it near the open dot and shape the dot carefully. If you are smart enough, you can cut directly or you can use truing method. For this truing method, you can check my previous videos of dot manipulations. And from the apex, mark 2.5 centimeters between two dot legs and draw final dot legs. Write all the pattern details on all three panels, starting from center front, on-fold, grain line, title of the exercise and name of the panels, size of the pattern. So don't miss anything while writing all the information. Hope you understand the video of how to make panel style line by using basic bodies front and back. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe the channel for more videos.